You want to say hi to the vlog?
What up? He's on the vlog.
What up, boys?
I mean, I'm on my break. Am I able to go with you for a ride along?
Okay, let's go.
All right, man.
What up, dude?
Hi.
It's pretty sick, huh? Oh my god! Yeah, we put the AK47 tune back on. Today is the day we've all been waiting for. We are doing the Tundra's very first official mod. While we're headed to the shop, guys, let me catch you guys up. This is a 2023 Toyota Tundra. I bought it a few months ago and we're already almost at 10,000 miles. This is literally the daily I thought I'd never have. And honestly, I didn't think I was gonna be driving it this much. Well, maybe because all my cars don't run, and this car, you just hop in and go. But if anybody's looking to getting a new Tundra, I highly recommend it. I love it so much. It's a twin turbo V6 model, so it's pretty good on gas. It actually does really good on towing as well. It doesn't feel like it's struggling at all. I drive from here to Southern California, which is about 6 to 8 hours depending where I'm going, and it does not struggle going up the Grapevine at all. So no complaints about this. Actually, there is one complaint that I do have about this truck. The dumbest part about the Tundra is the climate control. Like if I wanted to go to 90, I would expect to be able to hold it and it would go up like insanely fast, but look how slow that is. It takes forever. It's faster if you just go like this, but it's so annoying. Other than that little complaint though, I love everything else about the truck. Why does the Tundra look slammed? That's a big bitch, huh?
That's one thirsty big bitch.
Remember, Andrew, if she ain't 380,
She ain't a lady.
Guys, don't mind the dirty truck. This just means that we love the Tundra and we're driving the crap out of it. And you know what? I love the crew cab. That's what it's called, right? Right? Crew cab. Yeah, I got this so that the homies can hop in. 4 doors for more. All right, guys, let's reveal what we're gonna be doing today. Right back here, we've got the Ready Lift suspension for the Toyota Tundra.
What's going on today?
Yeah. Yeah, let's unbox the box.
She about to get bigger.
She about to get big, baby.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, this is some new stuff for me. I know this is suspension, but I don't know anything about truck suspension. But today we're gonna learn.
Oh, everything's nice.
Want to explain the kit?
Yeah, so we're doing a cheater lift, where basically we're just spacing out the springs instead of making like longer travel suspension, so it'll ride like stock and it'll just be lifted.
Nice.
This gets too close to the stock arm. When you lift it, it comes down, so it gets too close to the shock. So that they remake an arm so you have more clearance so that it doesn't do that.
I don't know if I mentioned it, guys, but we are lifting the Toyota Tundra. We're gonna get rid of this droop up front, and we're also gonna be matching the rears to the front, right?
It's a lift and level, so it's like a 3-inch front lift and an 1.5 inches in the rear, I think.
Nice.
So it'll level it out and lift it.
It's gonna be sick off-road.
Ooh.
Bend
Could
this
be
thing in half.
dirtier.
Sheesh! A little sneak peek. What do you guys think?
Did you just do that?
Yeah.
I like it. Ooh, it's the raised print too.
Yeah, so we'll have it and then.
Sheesh!
Yeah, so this is
Sheesh!
basically the next collection.
Nice. We weren't supposed to show you guys this, but you know what? Andrew's already right here. Look at that. Working on some magic.
Mm-hmm. Summertime, you know what I mean? Still want to layer up, but you still can.
Yes, sir. Step-by-step instructions with pictures. All right. This is going to be an easy day for me because I got Luke and I don't have to touch anything. Just kidding, guys. Maybe I'll touch something. And then right over here, guys, we've got the new work wheels. You know what's crazy? In all my years of working on cars, or in all my years of watching Luke work on cars, I've never seen or ever lifted a truck. Like I know today we're lifting a truck with a suspension, but like on jack stands, I mean. This is weird to look at. Because like, naturally you can just go like this. You know what I mean? Whoa! Hold on. This is my first time looking under a truck. I thought I was a car guy. Guys, this is my first time looking under a truck. It looks so weird down here. What the hell? What the hell? Is this still a tow arm?
No.
What arm is that?
This is a straight axle, buddy.
So I don't know what a straight axle is, buddy.
Look at the axle.
Oh shit, it's straight. All right, good thing I have Luke here. All right, Luke, tell me a little bit about the suspension on this truck.
This is a parallel 4-length with a panhard bar.
You speaking Chinese, dude?
There's 4 arms, 1, 2, and there's 2 up top, and they're parallel. They're straight. They're not triangulated like this. So that means when the axle goes up, it can move side to side, and that's what this arm is for. It's a panhard bar that braces it, so when it moves,
Oh, okay, that.
because if you didn't have this, the whole thing would shimmy. But this is what keeps the axle centered. But technically, still, it kind of moves like this throughout its travel, so the axle will move left and right. But if you have a triangulated 4-link, the upper arms would be like this, and then that's what keeps it centered and keeps it from moving side to side.
Hell yeah, brother. How do Japanese people say, hell yeah, brother? Sumimasen, brother. Arigatou gozaimasu, brother. Dude, the damn wheel's almost taller than me. What the hell is this, brother? Alright, I think I'm done saying that.
If you own a Japanese truck, you don't own an American truck. I don't think you get a scoop like that.
Nani kore? Need help there, brother? Luke said he's gonna call HR, guys. HR stands for Henry and Randy. Who you calling? Emmy, come here.
Please stop.
Oh, Emmy!
She's standing inside my truck.
Alright guys, so from what I've learned so far, this is the stock spring, and the spacer is right up there. What is that?
Shock extension. so that it makes the shock longer in theory, so that it can compensate for the spring being longer.
Oh, so before the shock was shorter?
Yeah, so it wouldn't be long enough.
Damn, that was a longer shock. So wouldn't you not need the thread lock if it had the little Allens for you to tighten it?
Just to be safe.
I like a safe man. He wears condoms for show. Yo, you're really good at holding that. Whoa! You've done that before, huh? I'm not answering that. Once you're done with that, usually the last thing that comes is the nut. Right, Luke?
Yeah, usually have to get jerked off.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is a truck install video, my guy!
Yeah, that's definitely where you were going with that.
Alright guys, I got some good news. I went to ask Luke to see if he wanted me to lift the front and get started on that. Cause you know what? I'm a car guy too. I can get some stuff done. I'm just lazy as hell. But he looked at me and he said, "Nice mustache." And I was like, I have a mustache? I haven't looked in the mirror yet, but maybe today's the day I finally grow a mustache. Oh, fuck. Alright, Randy. Don't give in to your ADHD. I tend to do one thing, and then I'll go do something else, and I'll never come back to this. You guys probably don't know this, but I have a hard time concentrating and sticking to one thing.
What can I get for you?
Can I get a blackened spicy chicken sandwich, please? What up, buddy?
What's up? Here, 2 drinks. You want?
Two drinks. You want to say hi to the vlog?
What up? He's on the vlog.
What up, boys?
I mean, I'm on my break. Am I able to go with you for a ride along?
Huh?
I'm on my break right now.
Fuck it, let's go. No drinks though, too much sugar. I'm on a diet. I'll take it for Luke. Thank you guys, man. The subs are literally the best. What up, dude?
Hi.
You ready? A little slower than I remember. Or my 34 is way too fast now. There you go. Put your seatbelt on. Yeah, safety first, buddy. It's pretty sick, huh? There you go, we spun tire. That's freaking nuts, huh?
Hell yeah.
I haven't driven this car in hell of a lot. One more? How was it? Oh my god! Yeah, we put the AK47 tune back on. That's freaking nuts. I forgot how loud this thing is. Alright, let's end it. How sick was that? There you go. You made it on the vlog. Alright, buddy. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Alright, thank you.
What the hell, Luke? I've never worked on something this high. Look at this. I don't understand. If only my mom dated a taller guy. Oh, dumb hell, it's stupid. come. All right, guys. For the Tundra, airbox needs to come out so that we can get to the upper control arm bolt. Easiest airbox I've ever taken out, by the way. Took me like literally 2 seconds. Okay, guys, so here's the front suspension, something that I'm way more familiar with. There is the spacer that lifts the car, obviously, and the new upper control arm is installed. This is the control arm that clears, I'm assuming, this. Upper control arm ball joint is greased up, and we also threw on a 35mm spacer so that we could fix the sunk fitment on the truck. Are you guys ready? Moment of truth. Luke, drop the jack. Shut the hell up, dude. That's actually so much lift. Bro, that's fucking nuts. Oh, I can't say. That's freaking nuts. What do you think?
Why can't you say the F word?
I'm getting paid less on YouTube videos. Guys, I've been swearing a lot and YouTube's been paying me a lot less. When you don't swear, you get paid way more. So I'm gonna tone it down just a little bit. But, what do you guys think? I'm gonna close the hood. What the hell? I can't even reach the hood anymore. I don't think I ever could, but what do you guys think? Compared to before, I think that is a huge difference, and it's actually level now.
3 inches in the front and an inch and a half in the rear. You're gonna get like another inch and a half with tires.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We've got new wheels too. This is, oh my God, this is so tragic. All right guys, now that the Tundra is at an even higher height than it was before, it's time to hop in for the very first time. That wasn't that bad. At the start of this video, guys, this was your wife's truck. At the end of the video, it's still your wife's truck. But now, you're not embarrassed to hop in it. Ah, I'm just kidding. I act like it's gonna be any harder. It's just a little bit taller. Cool. But, oh yeah, I could definitely tell the difference. The spacers and raising the car that much actually made a huge difference in how cool this truck looks. You guys can tell the difference too, right? Like, compared to the beginning.
It looked slammed before.
That is a wrap. Look, Emmy is literally begging to go home. I can't wait. Actually, you know what? As a surprise, you guys made it to the end of the video. I'm actually going to reveal the new wheels for the Tundra. Are you guys ready? As you guys know, they're work wheels. Check it out. We got them back from powder coat and we went with this crazy bronze, and it's like, it's textured too. Hope you guys are excited for the next Tundra mod video. We'll be throwing on some, what tire size?
35.
No, not 215 35s.
They're 12.5 35s.
12.5 35s, that's nuts. Well guys, that is a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys are excited. After we throw on the wheels, maybe we'll do some mods under the hood. Compare me to the size of this truck. This is nuts. All right, guys, go subscribe for some more Tundra content, some 34 content, 32 content, Bad Luck S13 content, because it's all coming back, baby. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Is this too much truck for me now?
Who said that?